Well, good morning, Jagindar Rana here. So, topic of the day is insurance coverage for vector-borne diseases. Insurance coverage for vector-borne diseases. The alarming increase in dengue, malaria, and chikungunya cases is not just the statistics. It's a pressing concern that emphasizes the immediate risk posed by the vector-borne diseases, particularly in regions with high mosquito activity. So, according to the World Health Organization, highlights that mosquito-borne diseases account for more than 70% of all infectious diseases globally, causing over 7 lakh deaths annually. So as these diseases becomes more prevalent, understanding how your health insurance can protect you from the financial burden of contracting a vector-borne disease is more crucial than ever. But does your health insurance have you covered? While most health insurance policies cover hospitalization for most diseases, including vector-borne diseases, the extent of this coverage can vary widely. Understanding the details of your policy is not just important, it is crucial to ensure you are not caught off guard when you need it most. So this knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your health and financial security. Health insurance generally covers hospitalization costs, including room charges, doctor's fees, and diagnosis tests. For instance, hospitalization costs for severe malaria cases requiring intensive care can exceed rupees 1 lakh. Some plans also extend coverage to outpatient services, including consultations and necessary medications. Then medical expenses don't start and end at the hospital door. Many policies cover the cost incurred for diagnostic tests, follow-up consultations, and prescribed medications both before and after your hospital stay. So, in the event of emergency, the cost of ambulance services is often covered by health insurance, ensuring that you can get to the hospital without worrying about the bill. And dealing with medical emergencies is stressful and without having to worry about upfront payments. Cashless treatment facilities at network hospitals, which are hospitals that have a tie-up with your insurer, allow you to focus on recovery while your insurer settles the bills directly with the hospital. So opting for an exclusive health insurance plan for vector-borne diseases can offer several distinct advantages. These plans often provide higher coverage limits specifically for treating vector-borne diseases, ensuring that you are adequately protected against the high medical expenses. By choosing a plan dedicated to vector-borne diseases, you ensure that your insurance is specially designed to cover the unique risk and cost associated with these illnesses. Then specialized plans may have shorter waiting period for coverage to kick in, allowing to access benefits sooner. So by using a specialized plan for vector-borne diseases, you can avoid making claims on your regular health insurance, thereby preserving your no-claim bonus. This can help you maintain lower premium over time. These policies can include benefit tailored to the treatment of vector-borne diseases, such as coverage for specific diagnosis tests, specialized medications, and extended post-hospitalization care. So vector-borne diseases can be severe, but with the right health insurance, you can protect yourself from the financial strain of accompanying treatment. Take the time to review your current policy to explore specialized options if necessary to ensure you are fully covered in doing so. You are not just safeguarding your health, you are also securing peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for any health emergency. According to the data provided by the World Health Organization, vector-borne diseases contribute to more than 17% of infectious diseases globally. So most health insurance plans offer coverage for vector-borne diseases. However, there are a few health insurance companies with dedicated health insurance to cover vector-borne diseases. The health insurance to cover vector-borne disease is designed to safeguard you and your family from hospitalization and treatment expenses. Every year, a large number of people are affected by diseases like malaria, dengue, and chikungunya, predominantly during monsoon due to unhygienic living conditions to stagnant waterlogging issues in many areas. So these diseases are highly transferable from individual to another through vector-like mosquitoes, etc., causing large outbreaks. So you know what are the vector-borne diseases? Vector-borne diseases are classified as infection caused by parasites, viruses, and bacteria, which are transferred by vectors, that is insects. Some of the most common health vector-borne diseases across the globe are malaria, dengue, chikungunya, seasonal influenza, malaria, Zika virus, black fever or kala jwar. So some health insurance plans are there to cover vector-borne diseases which are not only economical but also loaded with the best features to provide you with primary care. For example, Bajaj M Care Health Insurance. Sum insured is 75,000, minimum waiting period is 15 days. Shri Vector Care. Sum insured is 75,000, waiting period is 15 days. Future Vector Care. Sum insured is 75,000 and waiting period is 15 days. If Tokyo MO is white, sum insured is 1 lakh and waiting period is 15 days. So these are a few popular products related to this category. Now the question is, should you buy health insurance to cover vector-borne diseases? Because one can have enough health insurance to concern or their loved ones, as there are multiple ailments affecting people today. So with an increase in sedentary lifestyle and weakened immune system, it's a necessity to invest in a solid health insurance plan. Health insurance for vector-borne disease is beneficial to you in the following ways. Say, for example, medical inflation has resulted in a consistent rise in medical care cost. Hospitalization and treatments for diseases like dengue, malaria, and chikungunya can result in hefty medical bills. Investing in vector-borne disease insurance can save your finances and help you avail of premium medical care. For post-operational complications, you will receive a lump sum amount on being diagnosed with any of the covered health ailments like malaria, chikungunya, dengue, Zika virus, etc. Minimum premiums are charged for health insurance for vector-borne diseases, making it easier for individuals across all economic strata to invest in these health plans. So a minimal waiting period of 15 days is applicable on health insurance for vector-borne diseases varying from plant to plant. Now you can purchase these plans even by online, and taking claim in these policies are also not difficult. But things to keep in mind when purchasing health insurance for vector-borne diseases are that some insured amount should be adequate to fulfill all your health insurance needs. Consider a lifelong renewal health insurance for vector-borne health insurance plan. Check with your insurer about additional perks like if any online purchase discount and more benefits are available. Cross-check all the vector-borne diseases covered by your health insurance plan. Understand the minimum waiting period you are required to serve before your health insurance plan covers vector-borne diseases. So the Indian government has launched various initiatives like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, to tackle large outbreaks of vector-borne diseases. For a largely populous country like India, attention to cleanliness and waste management is imperative to control the spread of vector-borne ailments. Apart from government initiatives, health insurance companies have launched various vector-borne health insurance at affordable premiums. To help you tackle the problem, to understand more about vector-borne health insurance connections with your insurance experts or policy X. So on 3rd February 2021, IRDAI issued a circular giving the guidelines on standard vector-borne disease health policy. So in order to make available vector-borne diseases, specific health insurance product addressing the needs of insurance public for getting health insurance coverage to specified vector-borne diseases, the IRDA encourages all general and health insurers to offer standard vector-borne disease health policies. So all general and health insurers were encouraged to offer the standard product by duly applying these guidelines. And the insurers have to determine the price keeping in view the cover purport to be offered subject to accompanying the norms specified. So the coverage of standard products shall be offered on fixed benefit basis as specified in these guidelines. Means total amount payable in respect of the coverage offered shall not exceed 100% of the sum assured during a policy period. The National Center for Vector-Borne Diseases Control is there, which administers an umbrella program, namely National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program, for prevention and control of vector-borne diseases, namely malaria, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, chikungunya, kala jar, and lymphatic filariasis. Out of them, 3 diseases, namely malaria, lymphatic filariasis, and kala jar, are targeted for elimination. So malaria, dengue, and JE are outbreak prone and climate sensitive. But the states and union territories are responsible for implementation of the program, whereas this NCVBDC, that is National Center for Vector-Borne Disease Control, provides technical and financial assistance to the states and union territories in the form of cash and commodity under the overarching umbrella scheme of National Health Mission. Under the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, 17 regional offices for health and family welfare are functioning. These offices are located at different state headquarters. The offices are manned by technical people to coordinate and monitor all natural health and family welfare programs in the concerned states through close liaison and field visits. But they are also capable of providing technical advice as well as assistance to the states. Under the National Center for Vector-Borne Diseases Control, these offices are entrusted with the responsibility of conducting the entomological studies in collaboration with the journal Entomological Setup of the State, drug resistance studies, cross-checking of drug slides for quality control, capacity building of these states. So health being a state matter, the responsibility of implementation of program, strategies and monitoring in accordance to program guidelines lies with them, and the development of infrastructure has to be done by the state. Every state has a state vector-borne disease control component under the Directorate of Health Services with the stipulated technical components. So there is a system of coordination between the state and center for effective implementation and monitoring of program. So at the district level, district malaria officers have been established under district chief medical and health officers by the states. This unit is the key unit for planning and monitoring a program under a technical officer. At present, 565 district malaria units are functioning. So, in an effort to strengthen research on malaria and to meet the threat posed by the resurgence of malaria, the Indian Council of Medical Research established Malaria Research Center in 1977, and they are still operating and controlling all these things. But vector-borne diseases can be severe. With the right health insurance, you can protect yourself from the financial strain of unaccompanying treatment. So take the time to review your current policy or explore specialized options of, if necessary, to ensure you are fully covered. In doing so, you are not just safeguarding your health, you are also securing peace of mind knowing that you are prepared for any health emergency. Because the alarming increase in dengue, malaria, and chikungunya cases is not just a statistic, it is a pressing concern that emphasizes the immediate risk posed by vector-borne diseases, particularly in regions with high mosquito activity. So while most health insurance policies cover hospitalization for most diseases, including vector-borne diseases, the extent of the coverage can vary widely. So understanding the details of your policy is not just important, it is crucial to ensure you are not caught off guard when you need it most. So this knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your health and financial security. Thank you very much.